Hi, good morning, teacher, my friends. Story of my life. I am a student of electronic engineering. I am currently working with Grabando and the data repair part. I like to go for a while and have fun reading and sunbathing. I am 24 years old with my husband and my mother. I have no children yet. Fine. Then I will tell about my vacation. Vacation San Andres. My mother and me. The last vacation I had was with the city of San Andres of Providencia. I started there for 5 days, 4 nights. Went with my mother in celebration of her 50th birthday. We agreed to vacation plan with included for the Cameroon. What I like most is that the hotel in front and the sea has a dream island which we could meet and spend all day career. Recommendation: it is necessary to know the main island journey. Necessary to sunscreen all the time. To acquire all plan where you curry and delicious food. It is to have a good. It is vital to take care of personal objects and not take them to the sea. It is necessary not to take a tax since the cost is very high. Tips: what should people do in the place they visited last holidays? Fine. People should know the aquarium and the isla journey. 2. What should not people do in the place they visited last holiday? People should not go out with a sunscreen or the sea with value items. The weather in San Andres is very sunny and windy. Due to the sea and beach, el climate is changing except for seasons that wet it rains. There is island becomes cloudy. The sun a bit more. San Andres, a magical place. Fine. Thanks. Bye bye.